I'm back in paradise, aka Dolphin Point on the south coast of New South Wales. Nothing like a swanky waterfront property to call home, but in Steve and Serena's case, it was more shack than home. Hopefully, though, this will exceed all our expectations. A ratty front entrance, no more. Nice new driveway and planting, much better. I take my hat off to the 6 people that managed to survive in this teeny tiny kitchen. But look, brand new bench tops and a change in layout is just what yours truly commanded. Such an obedient team. The closet-sized bathroom now has oodles of space and a beautiful big bathtub. We've certainly gone from limited to luxurious. Love those shutters too. I can't say that an exposed toilet and shower in your bedroom is a selling point. Thank God we've said goodbye to that bizarre communal space. This is now a sophisticated master bedroom. The eye-piercing maroon backdrop was enough to send me running. Amazing what smart new cladding, a chic outdoor fireplace, and some styling can do. Normally, I've got plenty to say, but this one's left me completely stumped. Well done, team. They have transformed this property into a beautiful beach house. Let's find a buyer.